Vietnam is at a turning point in its economic transformation, and one of the most exciting levers is the Vietnam-China intermodal railway system. Today, I will highlight three key industries that will benefit the most. 1. Logistics and AMP. Transportation, the backbone of economic growth. The railway system will revolutionize Vietnam's freight transport, cutting shipping time between Vietnam and China from 5 to 7 days Viaduct C to just 1 to 2 days by rail. This will lower logistics costs by up to 30%, making Vietnam a more attractive destination for global manufacturers. FDI in logistics parks and rail-connected industrial zones is expected to rise, with investors from China, South Korea, and Europe seeking to capitalize on lower transport costs. 2. Manufacturing and AMP. Exports, strengthening Vietnam's position in global supply chains. With faster and more cost-effective rail transport, Vietnamese exports to China and beyond, Europe, Central Asia, will surge. Industries that rely on just-in-time supply chains, such as electronics, textiles, and food processing, will benefit tremendously. For example, the railway will boost the competitiveness of manufacturers like Hoa Phat Group, APG, steel production for infrastructure, Vinatex, VGT, textiles, and Tobacco, DBC, food exports. 3. Tourism and AMP. Services, unlocking new revenue streams. The railway will facilitate a massive increase in Chinese tourists and business travelers to Vietnam, strengthening the hospitality, entertainment, and retail sectors. Vietnam can expect millions of additional tourists annually, generating billions in revenue. Leading tourism and hospitality companies such as Sun Group and Vinpearl, a subsidiary of Vingroup, VC, will see higher occupancy rates and revenues. Luxury hotels, travel services, and retail chains will expand aggressively to cater to the growing demand from Chinese tourists. The project is a game changer for Vietnam's economy. The Vietnam-China railway system is not just an infrastructure project, it is a strategic economic catalyst. It will enhance Vietnam's connectivity, attract new capital flows, and solidify its reputation as a key player in global trade. For investors looking at long-term opportunities, now is the time to capitalize on this transformation.